Hi, second graders. Today is Monday, May 11th, and it's week 7, day 1. And this is just to remind you how much I appreciate all the hard work you and your families are doing. So let me applaud you and your parents and families for doing such a great job. And hand in hand, we've got this. We're starting week 7. So we're going to talk about the math. So when we look at our paper for today, you're going to do a page in the daily math packet. And I'm thinking I'm on page 115, and I don't see anything new there. So I'm going to let you complete that page. And then the next part talks about subtraction with regrouping the tens. And it's on page 453. Looks like this. Regrouping the tens. And page 454. And actually, second graders, I want you to cross out page 453 and just do page 454. And there's lots going on there, so let's take a look. You will do problems 6 through 19. You're going to do problems 6 through 19. And if you notice on page, up on the top, problems 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11, you have to recopy the problems on another piece of paper. So families, this is a standard or what they need to know for third grade, so they carefully need to recopy the problem. And I did send paper in the packet when you picked it up. And the biggest thing is, remember we're subtracting now, and keep the ones lined up and the tens and the hundreds. So it's number 1, it's writing the numbers neatly, and number 2 is lining them up. So 8 take away 2, can't do that. There's more on the floor. So 4, 7 take away 2, not more on the floor, so we don't need to borrow. And 3 take away 1 is 2. How do we check our problems? You don't have to rewrite it to check it. I'm just showing you as a reminder. And we got the number we started with, the greatest number. So once again, let's go through it. We're just going to do page 454. And we're only doing 6 through 19. And that ends up being only 14 problems. Remember, you have to, there's no choice. You have to recopy it because there's regrouping. So thank you, and that concludes the math portion of week 7, day 1.